Hello, this is PCBBUY.com. Thanks for watching this video. Introduction of reflow soldering. Wave soldering. During the PCBA process, there are two common welding manners: reflow soldering and wave soldering. What are the differences of them? What is PCBA? In brief, it is the whole manufacturing process of PCB through SMT mount reflow soldering, and then through plug-in wave soldering. First, I will introduce reflow soldering. Solder paste is mixture of metal, tin powder, flux and other chemicals. After heating, the small particles return to a flowing liquid state, a process called reflow. Reflow soldering is to melt the solder paste pre-coated on the solder pad by heating, so that the electronic components on the solder pad and the solder pad on the PCB are connected. When applying solder paste, it is necessary to set up the steel mesh according to the PCB board in advance. Match the mesh of the steel wire to the pads of the board to ensure that the pads are evenly coated with solder paste. The next step is to place the components on the pads in a logical order based on the size and height of the device package. Please note the direction marked on the component. Then start to enter the reflow production line processing. This process includes preheating zone, constant temperature zone, welding zone, cooling zone, and finally cleaning to end of the process. The essence of reflow soldering is to complete the welding by controlling the temperature curve. According to the process requirements, different temperature curves will be selected. And what is wave soldering? Wave soldering is the welding surface directly with high temperature liquid solder's wave peak contact. In order to achieve the purpose of welding, use electric pump to melt the high temperature solder to form the welding wave peak. The whole welding surface of the circuit board does not contact the solder at the same time. The circuit board is driven by the guide rail and passes through the wave peak of the solder at a certain speed. The solder soaks in the welding surface of the circuit board for a very short time. The main process of wave soldering: first plugging, coating flux in the form of spray, preheating, wave soldering, forming welding, excising the extra plug-in feet, cooling out the finished product. I believe you can tell the difference between them now. PCBBUY is a high-end professional PCB manufacturing brilliant factory. Welcome to customized PCB from PCBBUY. Thanks for watching. See you next time.